The Scientific Revolution by Noah Hewitt. The scientific revolution began in 1550 with Nicholas Copernicus discovering that the Earth rotates around the Sun, and ended with Isaac Newton discovering the laws of gravity in 1700.
Tomorrow's Friday.
Some of the main people involved in the scientific revolution were Nicholas Copernicus, Johannes Kepler, Galileo Galilei, René Descartes, Francis Bacon, and Isaac Newton. Many others contributed, but only from their own observations, and often contradicted the evidence and conclusions of their contemporaries. From the year of 1550 to 1750, the scientific revolution began. The scientific revolution was a time span where scientists built on the work of other scientists who came before them. Many historians claim that the scientific revolution began with Nicholas Copernicus and ended with Isaac Newton 150 years later. During the scientific revolution, many achievements were made in science and astronomy. The latest scientific method of observation, hypothesis, experimentation, analysis, and conclusion was invented during the scientific revolution, and many important discoveries were made about gravity, the rotation of the planets, the skeletal and muscular system of the human body. Some of the main scientists involved in the scientific revolution were Nicholas Copernicus, Johannes Kepler, Galileo Galilei, René Descartes, Francis Bacon, and Isaac Newton. Many other scientists contributed, but only from their own observations, and often contradicted the evidence and conclusions of their contemporaries. The scientific revolution was a worldwide event, and where the scientists involved were from all over the world. Some of the main countries involved were America, Austria, Australia, England, Russia, and many other countries. The scientific revolution was a crucial event in history because it changed the way we live today, because of the major discoveries made. Many experiment and scientific methods are very different after the scientific revolution compared to the methods and procedures before the scientific revolution, and most of the major discoveries on space, gravity, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and the causes of natural disasters.